Welcome everyone. So let's start our today's topic. It's introduction of the solar energy. So what is basically the solar energy? So basically the solar energy it's something that convert into the thermal or into the electrical energy, and it is the cleanest, most affordable, abundant renewable energy source we have. So India has a better opportunity in the solar energy because it has the large number of irradiance area, and on the geographical condition it has a huge opportunity in this particular solar energy. So what is the solar technologies, and how we can use this particular solar energy in those solar technologies? So there are basically three types of energy conversation, or harnessing energy we are talking about. It's called the photovoltaics, where we can simply convert sunlight into the electricity. We have the solar heating, where with the help of the sunlight we can heat up, and with the help of the heating we easily warm up the waters and the other desalination etc topics, and with the solar cooling, the solar concentration etc. So these are the solar technologies we are basically uses, but most the used technology is called the solar photovoltaics, where with the help of the sun energy we can easily generate the electricity. So how the sun produce that's so much kind of energy? So what's inside the sun? So basically sun is a huge giant gas ball. It's consist of the hydrogen atom and the helium atom. So basically one thing it's happening inside the sun's core, it's called the nuclear fusion. So basically uh, the hydrogen atom and the helium atom, okay, so they combine each other, and because of the mass of the sun it's a huge, and it has the extreme high pressure. It's around 25.33 trillion pascal. So with the huge pressure, so the two helium particles and the they are combined each other, so that makes a huge amount of energy. So around the sun is around more or less it's give us the energy around 3.846 into 10 to the power 26 watt in each second. Okay, so this is a huge amount of total energy. And let's say we have the most nuclear bomb. It's the 9.192 into 10 to the power 10 megatons TNT per second it can generate a sun. So I guess you all understand that that's a huge amount of energy we are getting from the sun. So how much energy we are talking about, or what is the amount of energy we are actually receiving? So not all the sun's energy we are receiving on the earth. Okay, if we receive 100% of the sun's energy in the earth, so there is no life in the earth. So basically when the sunlight is coming, let's say the 100%, so almost maximum amount of energy is the reflected, like the 6% reflected in the atmosphere, 20% reflected in the cloud, 4% reflected on the earth's surface, 6% radiated from the space, 64% radiated to the clouds, okay, and more or less 70% is absorbed in the atmosphere. Okay, so this is the total amount of energy. So on an average, we can easily say the in a 1 square meter area, Earth will get around 1367 watt. This kind of energy is Earth each and every second. It's given in a 1 square meter of area. That's the amount of energy we are getting from the sun. So what are the uses application of the solar energy? So there is actually various types and various way we can harness or use the solar energy. So let's talk about that. So first of all, the one of the most popular is the solar water heating technology. So with the help of the sunlight, we can use the water heating panels, and with the help of this particular transparent panel, we can easily heat up the water, because heating up the water is one of the crucial and the most energy consuming area. So with the help of the sun energy, we can easily convert our sunlight into the heat, and with this heat, we can easily heat up our water. And where is the cold area where heating hot water is needed, so this area might be get affected with the help of the solar water heating technology. We have the solar desalination, like nowadays the water crisis is there, so we have lots of water around our sea, but this is the salty water. So with the help of the solar desalination, we can easily use this particular sea water and purifying it and drink it. Then we have the solar pumping. This is the one of the most revolutionary technology. Like we in India, basically we are most depending on the agricultural field, and if there is a process, because in India there might be sometime it's not rainy, it's a high heating weather. So with the help of the solar pump, we can easily feed the plants. We easily feed the farms with this pump, and coming the energy and converting into the water, so it's completely basically free, and it's also cost effective. So yeah, it gives a huge benefits with our environment. Then we have the solar furnace. Like we have if we collect the all amount of sun energy in a, heliostatic sphere, and with this help of the sun focused sunlight, we can easily heat up any kind of material with the help of the solar furnace. Yeah, but one thing, the solar furnace technology is not actually practically used, because there is some actually there is lots of drawbacks in there. But yeah, it's a concept that with the help of the solar furnace, we can easily actually technically we can say we can melt down the metals actually. So we have the solar cooking. I guess you all of you know that what is the solar cooking. So with the help of the reflecting panels and the sunlight, we can easily cook our food, our daily day-to-day food. So we have to don't we need to use the coke, the kerosene, or any other burning woods and etc., which is actually harmful to our environment. So this is actually the solar cooking technology. And the last and the most important energy, and which we are actually very grateful today, it's the solar electric power generation. So with the help of the sun energy and with the help of the solar panels, we can easily convert the sun energy with the help of the solar panel into electricity. And I guess all of you know that what is the electricity means today in our this kind of generation. So this is actually the cleanest, cheapest energy form we are ever getting, and it does not harm our environment, and basically it's completely green and also efficient form of energy. Okay, so these are the energy okay, so these are the energy collection we are getting from the sun, and all of this from the solar electric power generation is the most popular energy from all of the above energy we are here to discuss. So thank you, see you later.